What legacy you want to leave behind when you will be no more in this world? Because our physical life is mortal and our spiritual life is immortal. So we should decide that what legacy we want to leave behind in this world, or how we want other people remember us after our death, or even if we want to be remembered or just forgotten. So these all things are in our own control. If you want to be remembered, then you have to work for it. If you want to be forgotten, then you have to do nothing for it. Because if you do nothing and if you don't serve people, you will be forgotten. People won't remember you. Only those people will be remembered by other people in this world who will serve humanity, who will serve other people, who will do something for other people, something good for other people. So you have to work for your legacy. You have to give your services for your legacy, because it's the only way that you can be remembered by other people in this world. No one wants to be forgotten, no one like it. But no one, most of the people are not doing things that they should do to be remembered after their death. Most of the people are just wasting their life, they're wasting their time, they're wasting their energies, and they're wasting their potential. In this world, every person has a different kind of energy, has different kind of potential. There is no one who cannot do anything in this world. Everyone can do something. So find out what you can do. By doing that thing, you can serve the humanity. Definitely, whatever you will do, it will serve the other people of your country, of the world, and all the people in the world. So whatever you are doing in your life, it is affecting you, is affecting your family, is affecting your society, and is affecting everyone in this world indirectly. So don't take yourself easily. Don't think that you don't have any responsibility on your shoulders. If you are in this world, you have responsibility. You are responsible for your actions. Whatever you are doing, it's affecting you directly, but it's affecting other people. Some people directly or some people indirectly. So be conscious about your all actions and take the actions and do some job and do some work, some good work, some and whatever you are doing. Put more and more efforts into it and do it very efficiently, because if you will do your work efficiently and you will make your people around you happy and serve them with your work, they will keep you remembered, and they will always keep you remembered in good words. So so think about, first of all, if you don't think about it, if you don't think about it, that you what do you want to do with your life, or how do you want to be remembered after your death, or whether you want to leave any legacy behind you or not. It's These are the questions that you first have to ask yourself. These are the very important questions that you need to ask yourself, your mind. So once that things are clear to your mind, and you just realized that your life is short, and after it you will never get the chance after this life to make something, to make some achievements, to make some success, or to make make respect and fame in this world. When your mind realize all these things, then it will start to work for you, for making a legacy for you, and you have to decide it for yourself. So do something that people remember you in good words after your death, after your physical death. This was today's video. I hope you like it. Please like the video and tell in the comment section that you like your opinion about it. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Mariam from Victory for Champions.